Welcome to another episode of ConvoCourses podcast. If you're watching this on YouTube, you see I'm in a closet. It's because my house is getting has some renovations being done, and caused me some issues last week, some technical issues. But what we're going to talk about today is got a few things. I'm going to tell you about some updates that are coming to the courses. I'm going to answer some questions from some folks that have asked me questions on the YouTube channel, and some questions on email, some questions on Discord, and if you happen to be watching me live, you can ask me questions right now. We're going to talk about a little bit about privacy, and then somebody asked me about a really good question about what path I took to get to cybersecurity analyst. What's the path, the career path for a cybersecurity analyst? And I'm just going to tell you my experience to give you some idea of what you can do to get into that SOC position or that NOC position. Okay, let's start off with the updates. So I've got an update that's coming. If you didn't know, if you're watching this for the first time or you're listening to this on podcast for the first time, I do courses. I'm a cybersecurity consultant for a major company. And I've been doing this for a long time, mostly security compliance. And so what I've started doing is just documenting what I do and then how other people can get into this career field, and to just tell you the secret sauce of what I've been doing for all these years to maintain, to be employed and to make good money and also work remotely. So that's what my courses are about. It's about my personal experience. Lately, I've been trying to open it up to other cybersecurity people who have great experience, way more than me in some cases in different areas, and I'm trying to get them to also put into this pot and also help people out. And I do this for fun and for profit, by the way. So the course that I'm going to update, that I've been updating over time, is this one right here. This is Risk Management ISSO, Security Controls and Documentation, where what I do is I deep dive into each one of the NIST 853 controls, and I interpret them and tell you from my experience of a person who's actually working in this field right now. I'm telling you, here's how you do it. Here's how this agency's done it. Here's how this agency's done it. That's what I do. So that's what is going into this course right here. There's lots of free stuff if you want to sign up for free. Tons of free stuff out there for you. And I'm going to be adding more families to this. You know that this has like 20 some odd families that are associated with it right now. I have 3, but there's another one coming out soon. Here's a template for it. This is configuration management. Super important to all organizations, great and small. And so that's why I figured it's really time for me to cover this one. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I really haven't seen anybody cover this in courses before, especially not how I do it, and giving you templates of how to write it and things like that, and interpret it from different perspectives. So that's what I'm doing there.